What if the miracle your skin's been waiting for wasn't in your skincare drawer at all, but in 7 simple oils that have been around for centuries, working quietly and naturally? Welcome to Skin and Health Hub, your home for natural beauty and DIY skincare made simple. In this video, I'll show you 7 incredible organic oils every beauty lover should have. Timeless, nourishing, and powerful enough to transform your skin and lips naturally. Stay with me till the end, because oil number 7 is the hidden gem most people ignore, yet it can completely transform your skincare routine. Let's begin with the queen of rejuvenation, rosehip oil, extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes. This golden orange oil is rich in vitamins A and C, nature's retinol and brightener. It helps fade scars, heal cracked lips, and smooth fine lines, giving your skin a youthful glow that shines from within. Apply it at night as a repair serum to heal and renew your skin while you sleep. 1 drop, massaged gently, feels like velvet. Next, we have coconut oil, loved for centuries around the world. From tropical coasts to bathroom shelves, this oil locks in moisture like no other. Rich in fatty acids, it heals cracked lips, repairs dry skin, and even removes makeup gently. When warmed slightly and massaged before bed, it plumps fine lines overnight. No wonder it's called the miracle oil. If your skin can't decide whether it's oily or dry, jojoba oil is your best friend. Technically a liquid wax, it mimics the skin's natural sebum to balance, hydrate, and calm even the most sensitive skin. For lips, it absorbs instantly, leaving a soft, satin finish perfect before applying balm or gloss. It gently tells your skin, you already have enough oil, and your pores listen. Rich, creamy, and soothing, shea butter oil is a true skin savior. Derived from the nuts of the shea tree, it's packed with vitamins A and E, forming a natural barrier that shields your skin from dryness. When used on lips, it locks in moisture all day long, especially in windy or cold seasons. Massage a drop of melted shea oil before bed to wake up to baby's soft lips. Now meet castor oil, thick, rich, and deeply nourishing. It's a natural healer for cracked lips and flaky skin. But here's a bonus: it also promotes hair and lash growth. Mix 1 drop with coconut oil to strengthen your brows, lashes, and even repair the corners of cracked lips. It's slow magic, but once it starts working, you'll see the difference. Thousands of years ago, queens of Greece and Egypt swore by olive oil, packed with antioxidants and vitamin E. It softens, smooths, and rejuvenates the skin. Used as a nightly lip oil or body glow, it gives a radiant, sun-kissed sheen. Mix it with sugar for the perfect exfoliating lip scrub. Natural, simple, and safe enough to taste. And finally, the hidden gem, avocado oil. Cold pressed from ripe avocados, it's rich in vitamins A, D, and E. It deeply penetrates the skin to restore elasticity and strength. Perfect for dry or damaged skin, it nourishes from within. Apply a drop after exfoliating and feel how soft, smooth, and healthy your skin can truly be. And there you have it, 7 organic carrier oils that bring life back to your skin and hair. Each one has its own power, but together they create nature's perfect symphony of hydration, healing, and glow. Your beauty routine doesn't need chemicals, it just needs nature and a little consistency. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new beauty secret from Skin and Health Hub.